So in question 8, we're being asked to prove that two odd numbers is always even. So just very quickly, just to remind you, an odd number can be written as 2k plus 1. Okay, now just very quickly, technically what I prefer to write actually is an odd number is 2k minus 1, on the basis that if you then say that k is a natural number, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 upwards. The problem with this first one, you're having to start with k equals 0, which I don't particularly like doing. I prefer to start at 1. Okay, so my preferred option is that as a statement. Now, if you were to look at even including the proofs that I've actually written, that I've actually attached to the assignment, they're all using the plus 1 type format, which I don't particularly like, on the basis that a natural number 0 is not a natural number. Therefore, you can never get the very first odd number, which is 1. And even actually, if I were to, I suspect if I was looking in the solutions, they would also make that incorrect statement. But what I've highlighted there is actually the correct way of writing it. And for evens, an even number is just basically anything of the format of 2 multiplied by k, again where k is a natural number. So how can we use these two statements, I suppose, to be able to prove? So we're told about two odd numbers. So we're given two odd numbers. So we're given the fact that we've got an odd number, let's call it A, and this can be written as 2p minus 1, where p is a natural number. And we're given a second number, which is also odd, let's call it 2q minus 1, where q is also a natural number. They're the two bits that I've been given. I'm being asked to prove that the sum of those two odd numbers is going to equal some other number that is 2 lots of. Okay, it's an even number. So how do we describe it even? We sort of say it's 2k. Now I've chosen k. To be honest with you, k could be any. It could be any letter. Right? So k. So that's what I'm being asked to prove. So what is my proof? Well, let's just take a plus b and let's add them together. So we get 2p minus 1, and we're adding on to that 2q minus 1, and if we add that all together, we get 2p plus 2q minus 2. Now I can take 2 out as a common factor, so I have 2 multiplied by p plus q minus 1. Now p plus q is just two natural numbers added together, and I'm taking one away from that sum. So what's inside the brackets there is going to be a natural number. And so 2 lots of a natural number is going to be even. Okay, so therefore the sum of two odds is going to be an even.